Holy lake effect snow, Batman. Check out the lake effect snow band, which has been clobbering areas around Buffalo, New York. As of this post, we have seen up to 66 inches of snow in Orchard Park, New York. What does that look like? Well, these horses tell the story. Check them out. They're even struggling. These are horses, folks. Look at that snow. It is up to their chest. That is almost 5 feet of snow. How does this happen? Well, lake effect snow is one of the most unique things that there is in Mother Nature. In fact, what happens is the lake water is really warm. This time of year, especially in November, the lake is almost 50 degrees. The land temperature, or the air, is about 28 degrees. What happens is the warm, humid air from the water gets pulled up into that cold air. It creates basically what amounts to a line of thunderstorms, but in this case, they're not producing heavy rain, they're producing snowfall, and you get epic amounts in a very narrow band over a very small area. You can get 2, 3, 4 inches of snow per hour in these lake effect bands, and that's what's happening right now over parts of western New York, as well as most of the Great Lakes. One of the biggest snowfall totals that we have seen in the Buffalo area. This could go down in the record books as an all-timer, even for Buffalo.